Today we're going to be unlocking a Galaxy Z Flip 3 from AT&T. It's network locked. As you can see, there's no service. We're connected to Wi-Fi. Take Wi-Fi off there, it's going to say no SIM or it's not reading anything. There you go. We're not connected. Z Flip, product name, model name. And we're locked to AT&T. You go in here to the dialer. We're going to show you how to pull up your IMEI. We're going to need that here. You dial *#06#. And that immediately brings this menu up here on your dialer. Then we're going to use that in a second. Right now, we're going to go to Cellunlocker.net. When you get to this site, come here, you select your brand. We know it's Samsung. Then you select your device model. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I'm sorry, I have them both, so I get them mixed up. And there we go, Z Flip 3. Click down on that. Then we select our network, which is going to be AT&T USA. Now we go in here and generate an unlock code. So once you get here, remember that IMEI number right here? We're going to put that in right here. So see, it's going to check us. It's going to give us a nice little estimate of how much it's going to be. Once you put your IMEI in, you check now. And they're going to send you guys an email link telling you when everything is done. It's going to look something like this. We just wanted to let you know that your order is now complete. So, using this method, Galaxy Z Flip 3 AT&T. There we go. So now, what we have to do is we take our Galaxy, we take the SIM card out, which is the SIM tray is located right there. And we're going to take that out real quick. Then we're going to input a non-AT&T chip into the device. In this case, we're going to be using T-Mobile. Let's see if we can get that a little clearer there. Well, just trust me, it's T-Mobile. There we go, T-Mobile. We're going to be putting a T-Mobile chip into our Galaxy Z Flip device. And get that in there. Now, let's see what we get here. See, network locked. It's locked to AT&T. So now what do? We come out of here. Now it says enter network unlock code. Your phone isn't allowed to use this SIM card. It's the T-Mobile SIM card, network locked. And we're going to go here. We're going to input the code that they sent to us. They sent us a couple codes here. So what we do here is we enter the code. All right. Hit unlock. Verifying network unlock. It says network unlock. Just give it a few minutes. And it's telling me switch to T-Mobile, restart and switch. If you switch, your phone will restart. We're going to restart and switch. Let's see what it says now. Now we're going through everything. AT&T. Let's see if we get to T-Mobile now. Here we go. Our Samsung is loading up. By the way, guys, I did a video of bypassing the Google lock on this device as well. I'll do it again and repost it so you can see that as well. But today we're trying to network unlock using Cellunlocker.net. T-Mobile, guys. There you have it. There you have it. Our device is now network unlocked. Searching. And there you have it. T-Mobile. Let's go in and make a call. Make sure everything is working correctly. See, phone is starting. See, we have 5G signal. We just lost signal. Okay, there's connection again. 5G UC. Let's see.
T-Mobile. Para español, marque asterisco.
And there we have it, guys. We're unlocked. Phone is working. Carrier services is up.